Oh.
District of Columbia, southeastern
Well, would you look at that?
County
They
in
only did
central
it on
Maryland,
KHB.
northwestern Prince George's County in
That's
central
why this
Maryland,
thing is
Arlington
flashing.
County in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, until 5 a.m. Thursday. At 10:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Up to enough rain has fallen this evening. Some locations that may experience flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville, Bethesda, Annandale, Springfield,
Up to an
College
inch
Park,
of rain.
Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Fairfax, Langley Park, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveton, Forestville, Falls Church, Huntington, Largo, Coral Hills, Bladensburg. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Now for the official.
Good morning, Cox. How you doing? What are you gonna fail this time? Oh, it's a river flood warning. I did it right this time. I noticed they also went back to the old thing where they give the warning first. What they had been doing was they did like EAS participant as issue day or National Weather Service issue day. They went back to the old thing. I prefer the EAS participant thing. I think it just looks better. Alright, flood warning. WXM 42. KC.
Southwestern
WG27.
Most flood deaths occur in
And I
vehicles.
don't think this is EAS. That was WXN 42. Over to WXK 65.
Haywood, Stevensburg, Aurora. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths
They did
occur in
this
vehicles.
on the station.
Now for the official national
It's flood warning time.
County in Central Virginia, Louisa County in Central Virginia.
Alright, there's more WC. Let's see what I can get here. Let's put the E on.
Lincoln College, Milford, Longwood University, Hampton Sydney College, Hampton Sydney, Hanover, and Lake Monticello. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I think I got the first part of the alert on WXK65. I don't know. I know I got it on WZ2527.